Hey guys, today's the day. We get our baby. We have waited 24 hours, so now our task says, congratulations, your baby is here. You've adopted a baby. Congratulations, you completed this quest, and I gained $300 and 50 star level points. Okay, this is so exciting. Okay, so we're going to talk to the social worker. Congratulations, your baby is here. I can't believe it. It's the cutest baby I've ever seen. I know, right? I will tell you a few things about the baby, but you need to name it first. I will call my baby. Okay, I do already have a name in mind. I'm going to name him Jack. I absolutely love this baby boy name, so we're going to click save. And we changed our baby's name and also got some rewards for that. That's a wonderful name. Do you want some tips about baby care? Sure, why not? I think I'm gonna need it. Great, let's get into it. It's time to make your baby as stylish as you are. Choose the desired haircut by tapping on the mirror. Alright, okay, change your baby's haircut. And let's see. Is it this? No. Oh, up here. Okay, yeah. Okay, haircut. Okay, I already like his hair like that, but let's see. So it's really cool that you can customize your baby like you can your normal character. I think we're gonna go with I'm kind of liking this little mohawk. Or this one's kind of curly. That one's cute too. I think we're gonna go with this one, and we'll keep the hair color the same for now. So we're gonna click finish, and we changed the baby's haircut, and we also leveled up, so that's awesome. Gained an extra diamond plus 30 energy, and now I'm on level 42. Wow, a good choice. Thanks. It's time to dress your baby up. Just tap on the dresser. I can't wait. Give it a try. Okay, so we're going to click the little closet icon on the dresser. Oh, that's so cute. This is really, really fun. Okay, so it looks like most of the clothing items do cost diamonds, except for this little blue outfit right here for 3,500. And he can have a little frog hat. That's so cute. I think we're gonna do both of those. Wait, do I have enough money? 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't have enough money, so we are just going to... Maybe I can just buy the hat. Maybe? Let's try. Yes, okay. Awesome, dress up your baby. When you interact with your baby, a happiness bar will appear below the bouncer. It will show you the baby's mood. Make sure you interact with your baby regularly to keep it happy. To fill up the happiness bar, just tap on the pin above the bouncer. Try to tap on the pin now. Alright. So we will tap the smiling baby icon above him, and it says we can feed him for 10 energy, so we are going to do that. And then it shows the progress bar at the bottom for Jack's mood, and we just took care of our baby. Don't forget to interact with your baby regularly. The baby will sometimes drop special collectibles if the happiness bar is full, and you can redeem baby collectibles for gems in the storage. That's great. Although, if you don't take care of your baby, the social services will have to take it away from you. Oh no! But you already seem like a great mother, and I know this won't happen. Thank you. Now, when you see a little gift at the end of the happiness bar, it means your baby is ready to drop a collectible. Try to fill up the happiness bar all the way. Okay, so we're going to fill up his happiness bar and gain that new collectible that the social worker was talking about. So we're going to click the little baby smiling icon again. And I guess we need to do it one more time. Congratulations, here's your reward. Okay, so this kind of unlocks the new collectibles for the baby storyline that I have seen in the storage that you can redeem for other things like diamonds, skill points, and stuff like that. Okay, we filled the baby's happiness bar. Let me tell you one more thing before I leave. There's a photo frame on the wall. If you tap on it, you can take a picture of yourself holding your baby, and you will appear on the front page of a magazine. Wow! Also, by doing that, you can save your baby's outfit in the portfolio. I can't wait to try it out. Try to tap on the photo frame and see what happens. And don't forget to check out your portfolio after that. Okay, thanks. So we're going to tap on the photo frame right here, and we're going to click take a photo. Oh, so adorable. Celebrity babies, that's so cute. Alright, and story completed. We gained 3 diamonds for completing this storyline. Oh, we're getting a phone call. Jennipurr, darling. Hey, Bella. I'm shooting a new movie and I miss both you and your baby so much. Why don't you send me a few pictures of you two cuties? Aw. Or better yet, send me a GIF. A gift? Oh, I guess I could find something. A GIF, like an animated photo or a short video. Oh, a GIF. Yes, that's a great idea. Go to the invite tab to snap a cute GIF with your baby. Then share it so we can see that adorable face. I'll send you something ASAP. Okay, do you guys say GIF or GIF? Because I definitely said GIF at the beginning, but I don't know which one is actually correct. Okay, so we're going to share a GIF of our baby. So we're going to click the photo again, little photo album thing, and click make a GIF. What a cute baby. You will earn rewards when your friends download and start to play the game. So I wonder if I actually have to share it. Let me just see. Okay, so I do need to share this, and I will do that. But yeah, today's video is just showing you guys that I did receive my baby after waiting the 24 hours, and he is so adorable. I love the fact that you can really customize your baby's looks, just like your normal character, and you get to name them and, you know, interact with them. So I think this is a really cool storyline, and I'm so excited to move forward in this. And I think he is so precious, absolutely adorable. If you guys have reached this level or storyline, let me know what your baby's name is. Tell me about your baby. This was all I wanted to show you guys today, and just kind of give you an update for this part 2 on adopting a baby. So thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Again, I will leave my ID in the comments below so you can add me as a friend. That way we can help each other out and send energy boosts and just kind of connect within this Hollywood story game. And I hope that you guys continue to watch these videos. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for Hollywood story. I'll see you guys later on the next one. Bye guys.